Hello students, and especially to you Daz Games. Daz, apparently there's a Reddit thread right now that is threatening to dox me and to harm me. And apparently the people behind this are people that come from your account. So what I'm asking you to do as a favor is to call them off, tell them this is inappropriate, it's not okay, that I'm here to defend the animals, and as an example, I would like you to also be vegan. Remind your young audience that it's healthy, that it's best for the planet, and that there is absolutely no excuse for animal abuse. I'm going to show you a video that I made from the animal's perspective, and I want you to watch it again, and I want you to be vegan from now on. Thank you.
Why is Daz Games an animal bully when instead of eating meat, he can just eat protein-packed veggies? Why does Daz Games choose to pay for blood and murder when he could just switch over to vegan mayo and a vegan burger? Why does Daz Games hate animals so much? Why does he slice them with a knife instead of offering a life-saving touch? Why does Daz Games think that kidnapping for cheese is okay? Because that's what the dairy industry does to baby boy cows every day. Why does Daz Games make fun of animal defenders? Why does he think it's okay to sentence baby boy chicks to death in giant blenders? That's what they do in the egg industry because people like him seem to think it's somehow funny to promote this torture, this holocaust of the innocent, this never-ending misery. Why does Daz Games tell his millions of followers it's okay to pay for billions of animals to die when he could just rise up and say, that vegan teacher was right, let's help her to save animals today. Let's Google healthy vegan recipes. Daz Games, why don't you help us lead the way? Why promote so much suffering to so many youths? Why not be as brave as the others who change when they learn the truth? Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Why doesn't Daz Games care about the eco-footprint of animal agriculture? Anyone can be vegan regardless of age, race, religion. We can change our culture. And by the way, why is Daz Games so despicably veganphobic when he could so easily turn it around and decisively be a vegan ally? Be vegan fantastic! Why does Daz Games lie to himself and pretend that animals don't feel pain? And no, they don't live till old age. Baby pigs are killed for ham and bacon. He is to blame. People try to pretend there's such a thing as humane meat, but that's a lie. No matter how you slice them, you betrayed them. Those pleading eyes never wanted to die. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Encourage Daz Games to be vegan. Share this song with him right now.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them, we fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them, and all of this karma comes back to us until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.